It's gonna be lit. I received a Shany palette. It's like 126 eyeshadows, and I'm so excited because I've been having this for like several days and I haven't been having time to I haven't had time to get to it, so I just been so anxious about opening them. So I look a little hobo-ish today, but anyway, let's go ahead and open this. No, these are t-shirts. Just kidding. It's a big box. Not only the Shany palette, but also my 18-inch ring light. So hopefully both of them. And then Shany. This is the Shany palette of 126 shades. Oh, it's hot in here. Every time I start making an unboxing video or a video, I always get so hot. So I purchased both of these off of Amazon, and this Shany palette was like 30 bucks, and one of my cousins had actually told me about it. So it comes like this in the box. So this is the box, and then it just comes out as a whole styrofoam situation. I guess you can't say it wasn't protected. Oh, it's so pretty. So it comes like that. Better move these scissors before I stab myself. All right, so it has this little lock thing, and you just like unlock it at the top, and then it comes open. Oh, oh, that's not the front. So it comes open, so it's like this, and then you open it. 126, that, I guess you pull it out or something. Oh, okay. So they got like little drawers on the side. So that, oh, it comes out like this. So it got a little, I don't know if you can see it. So it comes out like a little stepping. Ooh, y'all have to excuse my floor. I'm in the middle of cleaning, actually. It's pre-cleaning. So yeah, well, I guess that's it. All about the face makeup kit. I'm so excited to use this. About to play in it. I actually need to give me a new brush set, so I'll be doing that. But yeah, so this costs about like 30 bucks for 126 shades. Like, I'm about to be having fun. So if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey y'all, go ahead and let me know what you liked about this video, and if you would like to see more videos like this from me. See you in the next video.